Nice car station way out. Can't see the all papers. It's coming now. Doers US 89 fixtures. There it is. This is hydraulic. Oh! What is this? Nice! 4. Okay. This is very nice. We'll take a few eyes on these. Start with there. These are awesome. I never been in here. Goodness. Not sure what building this is. They look historic. Oh my god. They are COP 4. Do my copy right now. Oh my gosh. We got a nicest elevator here. Never expected. 1. Let's start with here. Let's look here. Oh my god. Can we see a view? Let me see. Oh my god. I never been in here and I found an elevator here. Hey, look. This counts a counterweight passed by. We're taking another eye on these. They call hands fixtures 4. Door growth button works. We'll see here what we're gonna indicate on the glass. This is the nicest elevator I ever been into. Dark Ghost Mine works. Let's go again. One more time. I can't believe it. These are so nice. Let's look. We'll actually end here and we'll send it that to we'll see a machine. Old building. Oh my gosh. These things are awesome. They look like single speed elevator. Otherwise, that's it.